So today is Thursday. It's Thursday. It's Thursday. How you guys doing? And you should be doing great. So today I didn't go to school because Donald Trump doesn't want Mexicans, and the people that voted for him are out there, and we can't even go out or waste money because Donald Trump. My parents told me that Donald Trump said that Mexican money is not worth it, only American. But I am not Mexican, I am American, so even though I'm from Mexico and I'm Mexican, but yeah, so let's get going. So as you can see, I didn't finish painting my wall, and he couldn't paint like this space because it wasn't like it couldn't fit the brush, and he didn't have no more thin brush. So I'm gonna take this out quickly, just quickly for the vid. Well, this should be my place to do my video. So just move it over. This side is like my brother's side, but I posted it because it couldn't fit there. So I'm gonna do a squishy video, and yeah, I'm gonna show you my squishy, guys. Okay, so yeah, so I added a new squishy to my collection. This is the first one, a macaron, and also I got scammed. This is the first one. This is from Michaels. These are crush balls. This is what I got, and this is what I ordered, and it's super slow. Right? Look. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Jesus Lord. Okay. Oh wait, this is not it. Then I got this cute squishy panda bun. It's super slow rising. Look. Let me take it out of the packaging. Okay. Look. But the thing is that I ordered a jumbo squishy, and it gave me this little mini bun. And this is what, this is supposed to be my jumbo panda bun, but it's slow rising. It's the same one as that one. Then this is so corny. I ordered a mix, and this is part of the mix. Get it? It's an emoji, and then it's a bun, but it's not that slow rising. Yeah. And then I ordered this little cute milk bottle. This is like the baby bottles that are coming out. I got the iBloom, but not with the packaging because the packaging is too expensive. This looks so stunning. I got this banana squishy. Give it a small squish up. And it's stretchy. But don't. When I ordered this, I was freaking out like a bumblebee. I was like, Mommy, I got this. I finally got this. No, it's so slow. Then I got this iBloom strawberry. No, it's super slow. Let me take it out. It gave me defect stuff. But it's not squishy there. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, so this is like an emoji bun that I got. Another emoji bun. Look, this is the old one that's hard and dirty. This one is a brand new one. Look, this one. This not even slow rising. It's hard. Then I got this little cute Hello Kitty. This is not in a new collection, my bad. this little cute bun mat is like the same thing as this one. Wait, where is it? Oh, this, but in different.